My name is Bella, and I am standing in the middle of a huge airport terminal. Traveling is a big dream for an English teacher like me. I feel very small because the ceiling is high and the building is long. I wear a soft lilac cardigan because it is a bit cold inside. My wavy brown hair is tidy, and I carry a small leather bag. I look at my paper ticket and try to find gate number 12. A man in a beautiful white uniform walks towards me from the right. His name is Leo, and he is a professional pilot with blue eyes. Leo has gold stripes on his shoulders and looks very smart. "Are you lost, or are you just admiring the view?" he asks. I smile and tell him that I am looking for my departure gate. Leo points to a large sign and says it is just around the corner. My expressive brown eyes are full of gratitude for his help. The airport is busy, and people are walking fast with their suitcases. I am a proactive traveler, so I check the time on the big clock. The logic of the airport is clear: follow the numbers and stay calm. I am satisfying with the bright and clean atmosphere of the terminal. Everything looks organized and high quality in this modern place. Leo says he is flying to London today, just like me. I feel lucky to meet a pilot who is so kind and friendly. The 2D world around us is full of light and vibrant colors. I can hear the sounds of announcements in different languages. Leo walks with me for a few minutes to show me the way. I am Bella, and I am ready for my first international flight. The morning sun shines through the glass walls of the airport. Every detail of Leo's uniform is perfect and very professional. I feel a lot of energy and joy in my heart today. Traveling makes the world feel smaller and much more interesting. We reach the center of the terminal where the shops are. We are moving towards the security check area. We arrive at the security area where many people are waiting. I put my lilac cardigan and my bag into a gray plastic tray. Leo stands behind me because pilots also go through the check. I am a bit nervous, but Leo gives me a friendly smile. "Don't worry, it is a very fast and simple process," he says. I watch my bag as it moves on the long conveyor belt. The security officers wear blue uniforms and look very serious. I walk through the metal detector, and it stays very quiet. I am satisfying with the logic and safety of this airport. My wavy brown hair is messy after I take off my small hat. Leo puts his pilot hat and his watch into a separate tray. Everything looks organized and high quality in this area today. I wait for my things and put my cardigan back on. Leo collects his items and adjusts his white shirt very neatly. My brown eyes follow the movement of the other travelers. Some people are in a hurry, but I want to enjoy every moment. The 2D Disney style of the airport makes the machines look friendly. Leo tells me a story about a passenger who forgot a cat in a bag. I laugh because it is a very funny and unusual situation. I am Bella, and I think that stories are the best part of traveling. We take our bags and move to the other side of the security. The light in this part of the airport is soft and very pleasant. I feel very stable and ready for the next part of my journey. Leo says that we have 1 hour before the boarding starts. The second scene of my airport day is finished without problems. I am satisfied with the quality of the service in this terminal. Logic tells me that I should find a place to sit and rest. My brown eyes are bright as I see the runway through the window. The sky is clear, and the airplanes look like big white birds. We are moving to the departure lounge to find some seats. We find 2 comfortable blue seats near a very large window. The view from here is absolutely beautiful and very impressive. I see a giant airplane with 4 engines and a long tail. That is the plane I am flying today, Leo says with pride. I look at the plane and feel a lot of respect for his job. Being a pilot is a very logical and responsible profession. I tell Leo that I am an English teacher and I love my work too. My lilac cardigan looks bright against the blue seat. Leo tells me about the different countries he visits every month. He has been to Japan, France, and even to the small islands. I am a proactive listener, and I ask about the weather in London. He says that London is often rainy, but it is always very beautiful. My wavy brown hair glows in the sunlight coming from the window. Everything looks high quality and very realistic in this terminal. I am satisfying with the quiet conversation before the flight. The 2D world of the runway is full of white and blue colors. I see small cars moving around the planes with fuel and bags. I am Bella, and I am learning a lot about the life of a pilot. Leo explains how the plane stays in the air using physics and logic. I find his explanation very interesting and quite easy to understand. My brown eyes are focused on the horizon where the sun is. Every detail of the airport field is sharp and looks mastery. I feel that I am making a new and very stable friend today. The third scene captures the peaceful waiting time in the lounge. I take a photo of the airplane to show it to my students. Leo smiles and says that the plane is ready for the passengers. We believe that traveling is the best way to open your mind. I am satisfied with the friendly energy of our long talk. I feel thirsty, so I suggest getting some coffee together. We are moving to a small cafe called the Cloud Cafe. The cafe is very cozy and has a smell of fresh roasted beans. I order a latte with a lot of milk and a small cookie. Leo chooses a strong black coffee to stay active for the flight. We hold our paper cups and feel the warmth in our hands. The logo of the cafe has a small white cloud and a yellow sun. I am satisfying with the quality of the coffee in this airport. Coffee is a pilot's best friend, Leo says with a laugh. I tell him that teachers also need coffee for the long lessons. My wavy brown hair is soft, and I feel very relaxed and happy. Everything looks organized and very high quality in the cafe. We sit at a high table and watch the flight information board. Our flight is on time, and the green letters look very good. I am a proactive person, so I check my passport one more time. Leo tells me about the best coffee he ever had in Ethiopia. I am curious and ask him many questions about his travels. My lilac cardigan is comfortable for this long waiting time. The 2D Disney style of the cafe makes the atmosphere magical. We talk about our favorite books and movies during the break. Logic tells me that a good conversation makes time go faster. I am Bella, and I am enjoying this morning in the airport. Leo's white uniform is clean and looks very professional. Every second of this meeting is a high-quality memory for me. I see other people drinking tea and reading their newspapers. The fourth scene is about the simple joy of a hot drink. My brown eyes see the happiness in the faces of other travelers. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly connection with Leo. We finish our coffee and decide to visit the souvenir shop. I want to buy a small gift for my family back home. The atmosphere is very positive and full of creative thoughts. We are moving to the duty-free area to see the shops. The duty-free area is full of bright lights and colorful shops. I see many toys, perfumes, and boxes of traditional chocolates. I am a proactive traveler, so I look for something unique. Leo helps me to find a small model of a white airplane. "This is a perfect souvenir for a teacher," he says with a wink. I take the toy and look at the small wings and the windows. The toy is high quality and has a lot of small details. I am satisfying with the price of the gifts in this airport. My wavy brown hair moves as I look at the different shelves. Leo finds a box of English tea and suggests it for my mother. I tell him that my mother loves tea, so it is a logical choice. My brown eyes are bright because I love buying presents for others. Everything looks organized and very beautiful in this shop today. The 2D world of the souvenirs is very colorful and attractive. I am Bella. And I feel like a child in a very big toy store. We talk about the things we like to collect from our trips. Leo collects small stones from every beach he visits in the world. I think this is a very romantic and interesting hobby for a pilot. The atmosphere in the shop is busy but very happy and light. I pay for my gifts and put them into my travel bag. Leo checks the time and says it is almost time for boarding. The fifth scene captures the fun of the airport shopping. I am satisfied with the quality of the items I bought today. My lilac cardigan is soft against my skin as I walk fast. We walk back to gate number 12 where the line is starting. I feel a little bit of adrenaline because the flight is near. Logic tells me that I am ready for the adventure of my life. Every detail of the airport is clear and looks very realistic. I am a proactively thinking woman with a very big plan. We are moving to the boarding bridge to enter the plane. We reach the gate, and I see the long line of passengers. Leo goes to the front because he is the pilot of this flight. He stays at the entrance of the boarding bridge to wait for me. I show my ticket and my passport to the ground staff. Everything is logical and very fast at the boarding gate today. I walk down the long bridge and see the door of the airplane. Leo is standing there, holding the door with a very kind smile. "Welcome on board, Bella. I hope you have a great flight," he says. I step inside the plane and see the many rows of blue seats. My wavy brown hair is bright in the lights of the aircraft. I am a proactive passenger, so I find my seat number quickly. I look back at Leo, and he waves his hand before he goes to the cockpit. The 2D Disney world of the airplane is very clean and modern. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly atmosphere on board. The sun is setting outside, and the sky is orange and pink. The sixth scene is the final part of my airport story today. I put my lilac cardigan on the seat and look out of the window. I am Bella, and I am proud of myself for this big journey. Logic tells me that my English will help me a lot in London. Every detail of the airplane interior is high quality and nice. I feel a lot of peace and success in my heart right now. I am satisfying with the high-quality meeting with a real pilot. The engines start to make a low and powerful sound in the air. Subsurface scattering on the wings makes the metal look real. I believe that every flight is a chance for a new life. The atmosphere is full of big dreams and very happy vibes. I am a proactively thinking teacher who loves her world. My story about the airport ends here, but the trip begins. I am ready for the clouds, the rain, and the big city. Life is a journey, and I am a very happy traveler today.
The best comment under this video gets English lessons, completely free. So go ahead and write your comment now.